Welcome to this affiliate marketing for beginners full step-by-step tutorial. Hi, my name is Sebastian, and in the next few minutes you will see how you as a complete beginner can do affiliate marketing. So here is what we cover in today's video. First, beginner-friendly affiliate platforms that accept affiliates from almost all over the world. Second, how to get your affiliate links. Third, how to get people to see your offer. And if you stay till the end, I show you as a bonus TikTok affiliate marketing. You will find out how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. It's a hot opportunity at the moment, and I even show you some examples. And now I show you a few different beginner-friendly affiliate platforms. The first platform is Amazon. Everybody knows Amazon. If you're on the Amazon page, just scroll down to the bottom. And here you will see Become an Affiliate. Click on Become an Affiliate and sign up. It's easy, sign up, recommend products and earn. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Just follow the steps and sign in and create your Amazon Associates account. You will come to this site where you will need to put in a website. You can use your social media handle, your TikTok account, Facebook account, if you have a YouTube channel, or we come to that to a later step. You can also use your beacons page. Just continue with the sign up process and then you will come to a site like this where you can choose your product links. Amazon has a lot of products. You can become an affiliate for almost all of them, and I show you how to get your links in a later step. The next beginner-friendly affiliate platform is ClickBank. It's free to sign up like Amazon. Just sign up, go through the sign up process. If you have problems with signing up, just write them an email and they will help you. I had a problem with signing up. With one email everything was good. When you're inside, go to the marketplace and here you'll find a lot of products you can promote. ClickBank has a lot of different products and it's a really big affiliate platform. The next site is almost the same like ClickBank. It's digistore24.com. Just register, fill in your details, and when you're inside there's also a marketplace. And here you have all categories and all the products you can promote. There's another way to find affiliate products. A lot of your favorite brands have affiliate programs. Just type in your brand and affiliate program, like Nike affiliate program. And you will see Nike has an affiliate program. You can earn up to 11% commissions. Just apply to be an affiliate, and a lot of big brands have affiliate programs. Now to the next step, how to get your affiliate links. When you're on Amazon, on the Amazon Associates portal, just go to product linking, product links, and you will come to this page and just type in a keyword, rich dad, for example. And here are the products you can promote. Click over here on get link. Then you can choose which type of link you want, text and image like this, text only, image only. You go to text only, take the short link, and you can put this link anywhere you want. Another way to get your links from Amazon products is when you're on Amazon and you are an Amazon associate, you get this bar over here. If you're on a product, like this light for the car, you see it over here, get link, text, image, text and image. Just click on text and you have the short link with your tracking ID. To get your affiliate links on ClickBank, it's very easy. Just choose a product you want to promote or click on search, find product. Then you have all the products with the best sales, with the best rank. With gravity is how many people are successful promoting a product. A lot of people are promoting this Java burn at the moment. You get almost $150 average. It's health and fitness. So if you're in that niche, it's maybe easy for you to promote. And if you want to promote the product on ClickBank, just click over here, promote. Just type in your account nickname and generate hop link, and now we have a link which is trackable back to you, and so the vendor knows that you made the sale and you get the money. Just copy it and you can use it later. Digistore is also easy to promote. If you have a product like this keto meal plan, just click on promote now and you have your link. To sign up for Amazon, you need your link to put in. You can use Beacon's link. Just go to beacons.ai and sign up. It's easy to sign up. When you signed up, we'll come to a page like this. Beacons is also great if you want to promote a few different products. You can put them all together in one page. This is my Beacons URL. This is how my Beacons page look like. Here are a few different products that I promote. You could do the same. It's free to sign up. If you want to put in new links, just go to links and add a new one at the bottom. Go back to Amazon, choose a product, go to text, copy the link and put it in your Beacons page. Write a title, smart lights. You can put in a subtitle and a picture from over here, an Amazon link. And now there's a new link at the bottom. Now we come to the most important step, get people to see your offer. If nobody sees your offer, you won't be able to make a commission. There are a few different ways on how to get people to see your offers. You can answer questions on a site like Quora or participate in Facebook groups. Just search your topic. If it's keto diet, search it, join a group and answer questions. Or you can make posts and texts on all other social media platforms, Snapchat, Instagram, on your Facebook page, or just use Pinterest, make pins about your product and promote them. And very trending at the moment are short videos. With short format videos, you get a lot of views and they are easy to make. Videos from 7 to 15 seconds and you can post them on TikTok, Instagram Reels or on YouTube Shorts. If you got any value so far, please hit the like button so that YouTube shows this video to more people. And if you want to support this channel, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Now we come to the bonus, TikTok affiliate marketing. You get a lot of views on TikTok. I think it's one of the most viral platforms. Just make short videos, grow your following. If you have 1,000 followers, you can put in your link. Here is my Beacons link. And now we go to see two different example channels that do affiliate marketing. First example is Low Carb State of Mind. They have a Beacons page and she's making short little videos. If you have like keto diet or a product like this, you can cook the recipes, make short videos about them, build your following and offer them the affiliate product. And she has here a few links to her own book, to the air fryers she's using. I think you come to Amazon and if you buy them, she gets a commission. Or another example is Rachel's channel. She has also a link. Here you can buy her Amazon stuff. She is doing affiliate marketing too. And let's watch one of her videos. That was the last example of TikTok affiliate marketing Amazon products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and write in the comment which part of the video was most helpful for you. If you want to know more about TikTok affiliate marketing with Amazon products, make sure to watch the video over here.